Okay. I'm here.
So I don't really see any healer. If you like playing Zen, and if we don't have a healer, then
Okay. So we got healers, no tanks, so we need two of us to tank. Or attack on Blizzard World. How do we want to do this?
Um,
Zarya Ryan's always good.
I can play either. Cool.
And if anyone can play Hanzo or whatever, we can do combos or something like that.
I'm probably well.
I can switch to Zar. We can cycle. He can play Hanzo. You can play. Nah, because that doesn't combo. I'll play Zarya to your Rhine. And Rydiel can play Hanzo. Does that work?
I suppose, but I'm not nearly as good of a Rhine.
You're a better Rhine than I am.
I don't know, man.
Well,
It's a strong combo.
yeah.
Fine. Pretty much all you have to do is protect me as Zen, because everyone else will be like,
Yeah.
oh. They lost one healer, so go in.
Good.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
drop shield, hide behind the walls.
Oh, wow. I got lasered down real fast.
D.Va behind us, turrets behind us.
Yeah, sorry. I should.
I'm dead.
I don't know how that did that much damage to me. Jesus.
Nobody turned around.
I was trying to handle him, but I was trying to build up charge off of him. It was stupid of me, I guess.
If this doesn't work out, I'll probably switch Moira. I think the turrets are right beyond the first wall.
Yeah, we already.
I'm already half quarter.
Oh, Ryan. Tell me next time before you charge so I can bubble you.
It was, I was getting shot, had to do something. So low, get him. So low. Somebody, thank you.
Lucio at Discord, he fell.
They push in now.
My bubble was down.
Are you guys with me?
Two of us died.
Zen are then, so I'm coming back right now.
Yeah, I'm with him. I'm right behind him.
Heals.
I'm Transcendence.
They're low. Are you guys with me?
Not yet.
Mercy, if you could stick
Goodness.
with me a little bit, I'm getting kind of really.
I've got Genji's behind us.
Damn, I was so close to saving you.
I'm gonna get on point. Shit.
Yeah, I'm switching Moira. Sorry, Ryan, I almost saved you with that trans, but not quite. Let's group up one last time.
Yeah. Okay, Ryan, call out when you're gonna charge.
I need Symmetra on my left.
Oh, D.Va's behind us.
Starting. Oh. I'm about to switch off Ryan. I'm doing shit.
We don't have time. We got 44 seconds.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go to point then. I have
Yep.
0 shield. 2 seconds.
Right, I'm bubbling you.
No, we don't. We just lost it.
I'm on point. I died.
Is that a disconnect or what was that?
That was an accidental disconnect. He wouldn't have left like that.
Yeah, I figured. Yeah, I think we need to switch this up. I don't think Brian Zario is working.
No, I don't either. Sorry, we probably should have switched that earlier.
It's okay. It's just a game.
That it is.
Well, hopefully he comes back. That kind of sucks.
Yeah, I think he'll try.
Me.
We could do this like with a really cheap setup, 5 people, like with Tor, Marissa, a healer, whatever.
Yeah, cheese is good in silver, I guess. That wasn't like sarcastic. Just
Honestly, if Mercy wants to switch to Bastion, we'll all be together, so I'll be able to do an FA Aura.
yeah, no, I like Bastion.
I don't know if he just turned off the computer or what, but he just got off Discord and everything, so he's probably not coming back.
Yeah, I think his computer crashed or froze or something. I mean, he doesn't usually have hardware problems. Where do we want to hold?
Let's hold up to the left of this high ground.
Okay. They're probably, especially since he's out, they'll probably see that and probably play really aggressive.
Yeah.
So, start building turrets, I guess. Where'd Torb set up? Okay,
Be sure you don't want to be over here.
that's fine. It'll give us multiple angles of attack. I mean, they have to.
They have a Widow.
Bastion, you just hopped out of my shield. Sorry. Oh, wow. Yep, they're already on point.
Yeah, set up their Bastion, that's perfect.
Yeah, they don't have any chance to attack you. A sniper right next to us.
Easy on us.
On your right. Oh, that's game. Oh, wow. That was
Yeah.
rough to watch. You didn't have a lot of choices there, not. Watching that screen was pretty great, though.
Yeah, I couldn't see anything happening.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Reached out right there. He's like, yeah.
Well, hey,
I just saw people.
thanks for playing, guys.
Yeah, thanks for sticking around.
No, no problem. I think I need to stop telling people I can play Zarya just because I've had like 2 good games on Zarya. Did you hear that?
That's what I figured.
Yeah.
Okay, are you coming back to rush then, or?
Oh, is he on Discord?
Right. Okay.
I don't want to like fuck you guys over, so.
Yeah.
We can play quick play. I'd rather play as a group than do comp. If it was one or the other.
Oh, Well, it wasn't the comp. It was, I guess, his computer froze. Also, why do you always leave Disco? Just mute yourself.
Oh, okay. I guess that works. It's just I don't want to hear other things coming in because they're distracting, so I just leave.
No, that's the point. If we all mute,
What?
you can't hear anything.
Oh, that's how it works to mute myself? I thought that means
Well,
that
if
you
we're
guys...
all muted, you can also deafen yourself, and then nothing happens.
Cool.
But-
So, Jamie, do you think you can play, or what's up?
I'm looking right now on my.
Because, yeah, I mean, if
wonder
you're
if my
if you're going to drop out, I mean, we
wonder
can
if
just
my
play quick
RAM's
play.
going
It's no
dead.
big deal.
What I'm saying is, if he's dropping out because of hardware or software or whatever,
Yeah, no, I understand.
switching to quick play is irrelevant.
I would almost... No, I know. It's just that quick play, at least. We're not, like, getting dinged for it. We might lose a match, but somebody still might backfill, or... The point is that the real loss will be less than... Losing him on quick play has less of a cost than losing him on ranked.
Yeah, but I mean, if he keeps doing it, it'll still get him banned.
Well, yeah. But
Like,
he
he
gets
gets
at least
forced to
one
lose
more
once
try
he just
before he
stopped
gets
playing.
banned. Didn't... I think I dropped like 2 games in a row or something.
It's weird because like I never had.